This is Windows 11, the next generation of Windows, with the new modern UI and some new cool features. Now, Microsoft said that Windows 10 will be the last version of Windows. But surprise, surprise, we have Windows 11 coming up. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you some features of Windows 11. So, let's get started. So, the first feature, of course, is the start menu. So the start menu is now centered like in the previous version, which it was at the side, but now it is centered, and it has also got a new redesign. Here you will find all your pinned apps, your recommended apps, your username and your display pic, and the power options for your laptop or desktop. If you want to go to all apps, on the top right corner you will see this. You need to click on that and it will show all the apps and games that are installed on your PC. The next thing is the File Explorer. So even the File Explorer icon has got a new redesign, and if you open it up you won't find any like that much difference. It's just the icons, they have been redesigned, and pretty much everything is same as you can see, and the folder icon is changed, that's it. And the next is of course the Settings app. Even the Settings app has not many changes, but the icons, as you can see, they have been redesigned. And also Windows 11 now supports HDR. So if you want to connect to your 4K TV or a HDR monitor, you can enable it. Right now this is my laptop's internal display, so it does not support any HDR capabilities. Moving on to the next one is the search. Even the search has been redesigned. It is in the center, and as you can see the icons and everything are redesigned. If you want to search anything, it comes up like this. To the left you will get all the apps available to open what you have typed, and to the right you will have options on how to open or anything. Next up is the new widgets page. So if you click on this icon you will get a lot of new widgets. As you can see, you will get the weather and some information, some news and everything. So moving on, next is this task view. You can create new desktops and your recent apps will be open here. Right now I don't have any open, so it's not showing anything. And if you click on this you can create a new desktop page. Next is this small line which shows which window is active. It's right down here on the taskbar, and a blue line will appear if the window is active, and if the window is not active a small gray line will appear. This is a cool feature to see which window is active or not. And also all the borders of the windows have a rounded edge. So as you can see, rounded edge over here, even in the start menu, and maybe even in some apps. If I minimize them I might get it. Yeah, see, rounded apps everywhere. Next up is the Action Center, and even Action Center also have rounded edges on the buttons, and the brightness adjuster is also rounded. Next up is the Windows Defender. Even the Windows Defender has got a new look, and the security has been improved. The virus protection has been improved, and it scans for viruses really fast, so you have your laptop or desktop protected with the new Windows 11. And keep in mind guys, no laptop or desktop have gotten the drivers for Windows 11. I am using Windows 10 drivers in my laptop and it seems to work pretty fine. So yeah, I guess I'll keep using it until the official build comes out. And this is of course a leaked ISO guys, this is not official build, so don't think it's official. Even the Microsoft Store has gotten a new redesign. It has a new icon which is actually a bit similar to Windows 10, and if you open it up the store is exactly almost the same as Windows 10, but here and there are some minor improvements, bug fixes, and nice the store app will be fast, something will be changed, and we should wait for the final build, because in the final build maybe they might add some more features, so we have to wait for that. And they have also changed some of the sounds. So this is the volume adjust sound, sounds pretty good, and this is the USB disconnect sound, and this is the USB connect sound. Both of them sounded same, I guess, I don't know. And you also get this small animation which is really good. If you open an app, it's on the taskbar. You keep looking at the taskbar next to the Microsoft Store, and now I'm going to open the camera app, and as you can see, it looks pretty good, the animation. And you also get this cool animation when you switch to full screen and minimized. So if I double click, see, the animation is good, and also the minimize animation is changed. As you can see, it just like closes, like it shrinks and goes down into the taskbar. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We will have to wait for the final build to see some new features. And if you want the ISO, please comment down below that you want the ISO, because if I put it in my description, I am scared that YouTube will remove my video, because this is not official and it's a leaked ISO image that I am using right now. So please YouTube, don't remove my video, and if you want the ISO, comment down below that you want it and I will send you the link and you can download and install it. The installation is actually pretty much easy. It's just like installing Windows 8 or 8.1 or Windows 10. It's like any other Windows installation. It's easy, you can do it. And thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.